This is Ryan Concord, realtor with Marples and Associates. I'm also the showing agent for Marples Property Management. If you're looking to purchase a home, contact me. We'll help get you started on that process. I am currently at 4462 Clayton Road in Concord. Rental property, 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. Great location, close to everything here in Concord. Nice little layout as well. You do get 2 covered parking spots. So as you walk in here, you got the open kitchen, open family dining area. Lots of space in here. As you come around to the hall, got your bathroom, shower over the tub, some nice dark wood flooring. It's bedroom number 1. And then bedroom number 2. Schedule a showing, give me a call, contact me, 4462 Clayton Road, Concord. Or better yet, call me about how you can get you pre-qualified to purchase your own home.